Okay, next concept is types of functions. Okay, in first year you studied about functions. Function means it is a type of relation. Type of relation. Okay, let us take one example. 1, 2, 3. Set B contains 3 elements. 3, 4, like that. Just one example. I will create one relation from set A to set B. Image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is C. This is called a function because function means it is a type of relation in which each element of your set A or domain has only one image in set B or in your codomain. Each element of set A has only one image in set B. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. Okay, let us write one more relation. Image of 1 is A, image of 2 is... Okay, look at this example. In this, image of 1 is A, image of 2 is C, image of 3 is C. This is also a function because according to the definition, every element of your domain has images, so only one image in set B. This is also a function. Okay, this is function, this one is function. I will create one more relation. Okay, look at this. This is not a function. This is only relation. This is not a function because the element 3 has no image. According to the definition, every element has its image. Every element, all elements go image irlebek, but here 3 has no image. Therefore, it is not function. Suppose your relation is like this. Now, one image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is B. Each element, every element of set A has images in set B. Therefore, now it is function. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. Now look at this relation. This is also not a function, only relation because image of 1 is A, image of 1 is B, image of 2C, image of 3B. According to the definition, every element of your domain has images. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, but every elements of set A has only one image. ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Here image of 1 is A as well as B. This is not function. This is not function. This is only relation. Therefore, function means each element of your domain has only one image in codomain. Okay, you studied in first year about this. Now, and also know that the set A is contains, set A is called domain and set B is called codomain, and images, set of all images is called range. In this case, range is equal to set contains A, B, C. This is set of all the images of all the elements of set A. In this case, range and codomain are both same. But look at this example. Here range is equal to A and C only. A, C. This is range. Set B is called codomain. Okay, in some cases, they are same. Now, let us learn types of relations. In that first one, 1-1. Or injective. Now, 1-1 function. First type is 1-1 function. Look at this example. Now, image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is C. And one more, image of 1 is A, image of 2 is C, image of 3 is D. Now, look at these two cases. Here, different elements of your set A has different images in set B. Different elements or distinct elements of set A has distinct images in set B. This type of relation is called injective relation. Here also, different elements of set X has different images in set Y. This is also one injective relation. But look at this example. This is 1 1 or injective function, and this one is not 1 1 function, because here different elements of your domain has no different images. Image of 2 and 3 are same. This is function but not 1 1 function. Different elements of set A has different images in set B. Then only we say that it is 1 1 function. Illi different elements of your set A has same images. 2 ಮತ್ತು 3 ನ image same ಇದೆ. Therefore it is not 1 1. Here also, and this is not function. Okay. And this case, different elements of set A has no different images. Image of 2 and 3 are same. This is also not 1 1 function. 1 1 function ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್, f from x to y is called 1 1 function if suppose f of x1 and f of x2 are same. x1 and x2 belongs to the set X. For any two elements, f of x1 and f of x2 are equal. F of x1 means image of x1. Okay, f of x2 means image of x2. If they are same, images of any two elements are same, it implies x1 is equal to x2. If a function is 1 1, then this condition must hold. Suppose f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Next type is onto or surjective function. Okay. Now look at this example. I have taken the same sets A and B. Now image of 1 is A, image of 2 says C, image of 3 B. Now look at this. Image of 1 is A, image of 2 is C, image of 3 is D. Look at the first example. This is 1 1 function. Okay, leave it. But in this case, each element of set B or each element of your codomain is the image of at least one element of your set A. Each element is the image of at least one element of your domain. Codomain nalliruva ella elements galu kuda image aglebeku. Then only we say that the function is onto. Now look at this. Image of 1 is A, image of 2 is C, image of 3 is D. But here element B of your codomain is not the image of any element of your set X or of the domain. B ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿನ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Therefore it is not onto. Onto means every element of the codomain is image of at least one element of your set A. This is not onto function. Now in this case, codomain is set B. Codomain is set B and range also set B because set of all images ABC. If a function is onto, then range must be equal to codomain. Function 1 onto ಆದರೆ range and codomain must equal. And one more thing, if a function f from x to y is onto, then for any element y belongs to codomain, there exists x belongs to x. For every element y in the codomain, there exists at least one element in x belongs to x, such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y means y is image of x. y nalliruva ella elementಗಳಿಗೂ for every element y belongs to set y, there exist x ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ x ಸಿಗಲೇಬೇಕು. Such that f of x is equal to y means image of x is y. Image of x is y. All the elements of your codomain are images of at least one elements of your set A. Okay. Now look at this example. This is 1 1 function also. 1 1 of the different elements having different images or distinct elements having distinct images, and this is onto also because each element of your set B is the image of element of set A. This type of function is called bijective function. Bijective function. If a function is both 1 1 and onto, then that function is called bijective function. Both 1 1 and onto ಎರಡು ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, then that is called bijective function. Okay, this is one of the example for bijective function.